my god, I was like about to say hi and then I literally choked. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to my closet swap. I am so excited to be switching over my closet today. So I normally do this video a little bit earlier on in the year, but it was so hot. The entire September it was just really hot. And then obviously the first day of fall, September 21st came around and it just turned completely. It is full on fall outside and I have no clothes. I have been wearing this like because I literally have no fall clothes. And I got really busy with the Toronto Vintage Clothing Show, which you guys probably saw. That was like my previous video, so if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna be linking it down in the description box. But anyway, so I was really busy with that, and I do normally like to switch over my closet before the vintage show just to kind of see what kind of pieces I'm missing. So unfortunately I didn't really get a chance to do that, so I'm switching it over now. I think I'm just gonna tackle everything that's hanging. I feel like I normally do it that way anyway, so I'm just gonna be pulling everything out and then we will kind of start putting things in. I'm not gonna talk too much about my spring stuff just because we all know spring is over, no one really cares, blah, whatever. So I'm gonna be talking a little bit more about my fall stuff, so when I start bringing that in we can kind of talk about that a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna start going through all of this and yeah. Okay, so I just rewatched the intro just to make sure that it recorded properly and like the sound is okay and everything, and I just realized how unflattering this outfit looks on camera, especially like at that crop that I cropped it at. So like I apologize, please just ignore this outfit right now. Yes, I do still have my clips in my hair because my hair, I don't know what it's doing. It was just a little bit too fluffy and it was annoying me, so I was like, okay, whatever. I will just do the intro with the clips on because like whatever, it doesn't really matter. We're family here, we're friends, right? So I figured it wouldn't really matter. Okay, so this is what my closet looks like before, or like I guess right now before I change it. So I have some hats up there with some handbags and then some more handbags and then some shoes and then little jackets over there, some longer skirts, and then all of my summer dresses. And then on the floor I have some more shoes, and then in here I have all of my slips, and then I have some more hats inside that trunk, and then my saddle shoes. On the door I just have this really nice little cream little jacket. It is so pretty. And then on this side I have this little jacket and like skirt set that has all this fur on it. That's gonna stay here because it is more of a winter piece. So I have that on the door, and then at the bottom here I have this little thing that has like more delicate tights. I usually start out by emptying out everything that is in my closet, so I'm just going to be taking out everything that's hanging, and then I'm going to just be switching it out and then bringing it down into my clothes room downstairs. I'm going to be leaving the skirts for now, so I'm just going to be going through all of these blouses and seeing what pieces I'm not going to be wearing. Like there are a lot of the blouses that I'm going to be wearing throughout the fall and winter anyway, but there's a few of them that look kind of like these kind of colors that I know I'm not going to be wearing, so I'm going to be taking these out. And then same with like these little like sailor collars. I'm not going to be wearing these. Okay, so this is basically everything that's going to be staying here for the fall and winter, with the exception of the skirts, because I feel like I'm going to end up doing that tomorrow. So now I can actually start bringing some of the clothes and we can actually talk about them. I feel like that's way more fun than me just doing like a time lapse of me moving things around. So yeah, I really need to get some blouses that actually fit me properly. Like, do you see how baggy this blouse is? See, this is the problem with modern clothing. I feel like all their like blouses are so baggy. Like, why are these so baggy? Like, this. My arm is literally this. And it's not even like, it's like the wrong size. It's literally the smallest size that H&M carries, and I just don't understand why they are so baggy. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I don't know why this is so heavy. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why was it so heavy? This is one of my favorite coats. I honestly don't wear it often enough. Like I feel like I rarely wear it, but it is so pretty. I feel like I don't wear it because it fits me a little bit too perfectly, so I can't really layer too much underneath, but it is just everything. Like this color is beautiful, the fit is beautiful. I know you guys can't really see the bottom of it, but it is so pretty. Oh my god. This one is also one of my favorites. I know my grandmother really loved this one, and what I love about it is that I know you guys are not going to be able to see it, but It has like a train at the back. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that there, but when you wear it, at the very back, there's like almost like a little train to it. It is so cute. Let's see if I can get it on camera. No, I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it, but it is really, really pretty too, and this one fits really nicely. I know it's a little bit hard for you guys to see like the whole thing, but this is like a floor length coat, and I just got one that actually fits me 10 times better than this one. This one is always a little bit too big, so I figured I could wear it to like go for like walks and stuff in the winter, but the one that I just got fits me so much nicer, so I think I'm going to get rid of this one. I think I got this at a thrift store for like $15, so I'm not too worried about it. And what I do like about it is that it has these little fuzzy little like cuffs, which is really cute, and it also has it here in the collar, but it is just a little bit too big compared to the other one, and they look very similar, so I think I'm going to get rid of this one. I really want to go through everything and make sure that I'm going to be wearing everything that I have. This one is the first thing that I'm going to get rid of. I'm realizing that I'm dumb and I should have worn this combination this summer. I don't know why I didn't. Look how cute this looks with this little jacket because it has the exact same color. I'm gonna keep this in mind for next year. I love this jacket so much, this little varsity jacket. It is so cute. I love this so much. I really want more varsity jackets. I feel like I saw some at the Toronto Vintage Clothing Show, but they were a little bit expensive. Like, sorry, but like they were. So I'm hoping to find another one. I'm pretty sure I got this from Zara, like during their sale for like $30, and it is just so cute. Sometimes I have pieces where I'm like, I'm just not in the mood for this season, so I kind of just keep them in storage because I do love them, so I don't want to get rid of them, but I feel like I'm just not going to wear them too much. So this one I will try to wear because I do think it's really cute. This I love. I think it is absolutely beautiful, and it is like the softest thing ever, but I just don't really see myself wearing it this season, so I think I am going to keep this one in storage. I just got like a random wave of tiredness. I think it's time for a coffee. It's like 4 o'clock. I usually have it around 3:30, but I was just doing this, so I feel like I need to get a coffee. I'm just gonna get through this bag first, and I feel like, oh my god, okay, this jacket has been on the chopping block for years. I just can't bring myself to get rid of it. I love the little detail on it. I think it's so cute. I don't wear it, but like I don't want to get rid of it, you know? It just makes me think of Anne with a Knee. I feel like every single time that I mention this coat, I say the exact same thing. Maybe I should just put it out and then make a point to wear it. Like, it's so cute. Do I want to keep this coat? I feel like I have other ones that have like the fur thing on them, but I mean, I guess it is like a pretty classic coat, right? Yeah, this could be like a really nice, like, everyday kind of coat. I apologize if this video seems very repetitive, but honestly, the whole process is very repetitive. I haven't really taken too many things in the donation pile yet. I feel like there's only a couple things in there. I feel like I'm going to be getting rid of more things that are in like the big Tupperwares that I'm going to be dealing with tomorrow. This is like one of my favorite coats. I love this coat. It is so cute. Like, look at this color. It is just everything. This little dress, can you believe this dress over here, this blue one, was actually mine when I was like 7 and I would wear it, and I actually got it hemmed because it was like almost like floor length. And yeah, that was mine when I was little and I still wear it. It's getting so hot with like the sun shining through and the light on me right now. It's getting so hot in here. Plus I'm drinking coffee, so it doesn't really help. So I love this cape. It's like a 1940s cape and it's so pretty, but every time that I wear it, someone asks me if I'm a big Harry Potter fan, and I'm like, it like irks me so much. I am not a big Harry Potter person, so like I don't wear it for that reason. It just happens to be those colors and it just makes me so mad, so I avoid wearing it even though I think it's really cute just for that reason. So I don't know, should I put it in storage or should I leave it out to wear? It also has like a really cute little vintage tag. So this is the final bag that I have, so I'm going to be dealing with this today, and I think that's going to be it for today because I really need to close the sun off. It's giving me like the biggest headache. So I'm going to be dealing with this, and then, yeah. Oh my god, I love this coat so much. I love anything kind of either like military or like sailor kind of looking or like school prep. I don't know why I'm so into any kind of uniform. Now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like not everything that I like is a uniform of some sort. I don't know what that says about me, but fun fact. I love... See, again, with the sailor thing, even in coats, I love it. It's so cute. I mean, how could you not love this? You know? Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna try to organize all the dresses that I have on top of my bed right now because I have a bunch of like summer dresses on here still, and then I'm gonna try to kind of color coordinate everything that's inside my closet, and then we can kind of tackle the shoes and everything that's folded that goes in my other dresser tomorrow. It is really hot in here. I really need to close these things. I need to like go outside because I feel like outside it's gonna be really cold, but yes. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is day 2. I'm taking my clips off, but right now I'm just emptying out all these drawers because I basically finished with the closet itself. I just kind of tried to color coordinate things a little bit last night, but nothing really major happened. So I'm going to try to take everything out of these drawers, and then I'm going to start bringing in the big Tupperwares that I have. I have 3 of them that has all of like my folded stuff. So I'm going to be doing that. So let me just take these off. Okay, so these just ignore those. Okay, so I'm gonna start emptying all of this out. Oh my god, this got so messy. I just realized you guys can't see me. Okay, let me move back. Okay, I'm just gonna crouch down. So I'm drinking my coffee right now, so my lipstick is like all gone. Just ignore that. And I'm moving on to the second Tupperware. I have 3 of these. I already filled up the red one, and I have to open this one and see what's inside and empty it out. I don't know why I find switching over my closet so exhausting. I feel like I get really excited before I do it, and then while I'm actually switching it over, I just always get so tired. My head always hurts, and it's just, I don't know why. Whew, okay. Okay, you guys can't really see me, but I have this empty space up here, and I'm hoping that I can fit these boxes here. I just don't know if they'll stack. I feel like I have enough room to put the other one in here. Let's see. I really hope these fit. And they do! Oh my god, they fit perfectly! finally! As you can tell from this really bright light on me right now, it is almost dark outside, but I wanted to finish a couple more things today and then I can keep going with this tomorrow. So I really wanted to deal with the skirts because that's like another big chunk that I really wanted to get through today. And then tomorrow we'll kind of like finesse everything, and I have to deal with a lot of my vintage hats. So that's like for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna take out all of these skirts. Guys, so okay, so it's been a few days and I just got super busy with like Thanksgiving, and then I was gonna finish this video yesterday, but I had to go to the dentist and I was stressed out for like no reason because I hate going to the dentist, and I ended up at the thrift store because I needed to like de-stress. So I didn't end up filming this video yesterday, and now I'm in like crunch time and I really need to finish this video for today because I'm posting it tomorrow. So I originally wanted to go through all of my vintage hats and try to organize everything, but I actually can't because I have to leave on a flight in like 24 hours and I haven't packed yet, so I'm not gonna go through all of my hats right now. So I thought when I got back from my trip that maybe I could do like an entire video of just organizing all of my vintage hats, and then that way I can show you guys a bunch of my hats that you guys haven't seen before and we can kind of talk about it a little bit more. So I feel like that's a little bit more entertaining instead of me just kind of throwing them in here in like the very end of this video. So I'm just gonna show you guys what my closet looks like. It's basically all organized. I do have to find another hat stand from one of my hats, but other than that, it's basically all done. Also, side note, yes, I am wearing pants, which I never do, but like I said, I do have to pack for a trip and I know I'm not going to be wearing this, so that is why I'm wearing pants. So I'm just going to give you guys a little tour of how my closet turned out, and yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Okay, so this is basically what my closet looks like. So the top didn't really change much because I still have to sort through my hats, but I have the hats up there, and then I still have the purses and then some more purses. I have this hat here in the middle that I need to get a hat stand for. And then in these boxes here, I put that little basket bag that I got at the Toronto Vintage Clothing Show. I haven't really put anything on the top one, it's just the bottom one that I did. And then I have some shoes. In this section, I have all of my dresses, and then I have some fur pieces there. Then I have all of my skirts there in the middle, and then all of my coats. At the bottom, I have some shoes, and then I have a little brown case with like my outdoor shoes, like my like hiking kind of shoes. And then I have my stand that has all my slips. I have some more hats in the trunk, and then some shoes, my saddle shoes that were there before. On this side, I have this little wool little set. And then this side basically stayed the exact same with the set there, and then this little thing where I keep all of my special tights. So here's a little further away little overview of what my closet looks like. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I switch over my closet. I know you guys really seem to like this video. I feel like I always get tons of views and like a really great response whenever I post this video, so I know you guys really like my closet organization videos. But yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm gonna go pack because I really need to do that. So make sure you guys are subscribed because I will be posting little travel diaries and travel vlogs. So make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, as well as follow me on Instagram because I will be posting while I'm on my trip, so you don't want to miss those. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!